In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Figma cache. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. We all know that sometimes apps and websites can run a bit sluggish due to accumulated cache files. Clearing the cache can help speed things up, especially on Figma, where you might see delays or odd behavior. So, let's walk through the steps together to help you clear that cache effectively. First, you need to open Figma. If you're using the web version, make sure you're in Google Chrome, as this will be relevant for the next steps. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch Figma or your Google Chrome browser. Once you're in Figma, look for the three dots in the top right corner of Google Chrome. This is the menu button that gives you access to several options. Click on those three dots to bring up the menu. After you've clicked the three dots, find and select Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to the Settings menu. Next, we want to focus on your privacy and security settings, so go ahead and find the option labeled Privacy and Security on the left side of your screen. Click on that. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, you'll want to locate the part that mentions third-party cookies. This is important because third-party cookies can store cache data that might affect how Figma runs. Once you find it, click on the section to expand the options. The next step is crucial. You want to click on the option that says See All Site Data and Permissions. This will show you a list of all the sites that have stored data in your browser. Once this list loads, it's time to search for Figma specifically. You can use the search bar that appears, type in Figma, and it should highlight any cache or data related to Figma. When you find Figma in the list, you'll see an option to clear the cache. Go ahead and click on Delete or Remove next to Figma. This action will clear the cache associated with Figma, helping reset things for smoother performance. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared the Figma cache. Make sure to restart your Figma app or refresh the web page to see the changes take effect. You should notice improved performance and a cleaner experience moving forward. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about Figma or any other topic, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.